everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to copy a quotation in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the quotation module. Here, we have to select the All Quotation menu under the quotation module. On this page, we have to select the date range. And also, we have to enter the quote number. Then we have to click the submit button. Now, the particular quotation details will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to click the edit button. On this quotation details page, we have to click the copy code button. Now, we have to enter the new quotation date and also we have to enter the required details. If we select the yes option, the details will be copied to the new quotation. Then we have to click the submit button. Now the new quotation created. This is how to copy a quotation in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.